Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Geometric series problems get easy fast when you use the ratio correctly, and this one unlocks in seconds once the middle terms start talking. Start with the common ratio, because in a geometric sequence, each term is multiplied by the same number. So R equals A3 over A2, which is 1/4 over -3/4. That ratio simplifies to -1/3, and now use A2 equals A1 times R, so -3/4 equals A1 times -1/3, giving A1 equals 9/4. Now use the infinite geometric sum formula, A1 over 1 minus R, so 9/4 over 1 plus 1/3 becomes 27/16. Well done! Option C, scan now. The trap is sign mistakes and rushing. The rule is trust the given terms and check each step.